Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and hard disk drive cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the hard disk drive ZIF connector and disconnect the hard disk drive adapter ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Lift the hard disk drive assembly out of the hard disk drive bay and remove. Place the hard disk drive assembly in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive assembly from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk drive assembly into the hard disk drive bay. Insert the hard disk drive adapter ribbon cable into the hard disk drive ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.